Hello and welcome back to Butcher's Family Wisdom at ppptime.com. And today we would just like to share with you a kitchen trick or a tip, and it's how to make easy omelets in your waffle maker. Yes, if you have a waffle machine or a waffle iron that you are not using because you don't eat waffles anymore, no problem. You don't have to waste that appliance. All you have to do is switch it from waffles to omelets. So today we are going to be making an omelet in our waffle iron. And our waffle iron is a 7x7, so honey will be cracking 2 eggs. And he's already sprayed the waffle iron with a non-stick cooking oil spray. And we use the olive oil spray, but you can use any non-stick spray of your choice. So while the waffle iron is getting warm and the oil is getting hot, he's going to stir in his fixings. And a few minutes ago, he just stirred in pico de gallo, which is some little onions and tomatoes and peppers with cilantro. And he also stirred in some stir-fried onions and mushrooms and a little milk to make the omelets a little more fluffy. So now he's just getting that all mixed together real good there. And your waffle iron should be a little warm by this time. And he's carefully pouring it into the waffle machine. And just like you did when you were making waffles, you want to make sure that the eggs get a little fluff and a little stiff before you close it up, because you don't want to close it and you have a running substance down the side of your machine. Because the goal is to make this easy and no cleanup. So now after pouring all your eggs into the waffle machine, you want to wait and let it sit for a couple of seconds. Let it get fluffy before you close it. As you can see, honey's kind of taking this time to close it because you just saw a little runoff around the edge. Because if you'd have closed it up immediately, that runoff would have ran down the side of the machine and you would have had a mess to clean up. But because he's waiting until it gets a little stiff, you won't have a mess to clean. It will just adhere to the waffle, or in this case, to the omelet. And don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know the next time we post a kitchen trick or a tip. And while honey's omelet is cooking, he's also going to have an avocado. So he's going to go ahead and cut that avocado open and get it ready for when the omelet is complete. He will be ready to eat his breakfast. And again, you can add whatever fixings you like to your omelet. If you want meat, that's good too. Ham, whatever you like, ham, hamburger, sausage, bacon. But like I said, you could add some fennel seeds if you want like a sausage taste, if you're a vegetarian and you really don't want any meat. And so what honey is doing now, he's adding the cheese, and he's going to put it on one side of the omelet because he knows he's going to close it up anyway. And based on the texture you like your omelets, you can let your omelet cook a little longer if you want it crisp. But if you want it light and fluffy, you can cook it a little less time as honey does. He likes his light and fluffy and not crispy. So now he's going to take the spatula and go ahead and close it up. There we go. And as you can see, that little runoff that ran around the edge is still whole and attached to the omelet. So it didn't make a mess. It didn't run down your waffle iron. And if you want to smash it again right here, you can. But the cheese is going to make the top and the bottom adhere together. So, but it's up to you. but it's going to be just fine. Easy peasy. Okay, it's almost that time. So you see that little runoff? It's still attached to the omelet. Awesome. Good job. And as you can see, the waffle iron made no mess. You may need a wet paper towel or a little something to wipe it off. But easy omelets in your waffle maker. So now you don't have to sell your waffle iron. You don't have to store it in the garage like mine was sitting in the garage. Bring your waffle iron back out and make omelets. It's the easy way to make omelets. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click that bell so you'll know every time we release another kitchen tip or trick. Remember, you are happy, healthy, wealthy, fit, and forgiving. God bless.